So, um, it's a Sunday, nowhere is open. So, I was trying to figure out how to get. I got a 13 by 6'5" by 6 on my Hustler 72-inch. I was trying to figure out how to. I was gonna get the change the tires. So I went and found some tires at Tractor Supply, and I thought I was gonna be able to push them. You know, once you let all the air out, take the valve stem out, to push it and get it. But that bead wasn't coming loose. So what I did, this is what I did. I'm gonna show you the one I already got off, and then I'm gonna show you me getting the other one off. So this is just a little quick tip that I thought of while I was trying to figure out how to freaking do it. Hold on. So as you can see, I got one bead broke on one of the tires. See, 13.65, saying a 6. So I got it broke. So I'm gonna show y'all how I did it. A Vise. So this side broke, so I'm gonna do the other one now. So I still gotta break this bead right here. On one side, I already broke one bead. So I'm gonna loosen it back up, turn the tire around, So this side already broke. So what I do right here, kind of hard to do this with one hand, but so I put a piece of wood on here. Yeah. Okay. Of course, keep that. So of course, just like on a tire machine. So, of course, we already know how to get the tires off, but I'm gonna just do that just for the sake of it. Do it just for the sake of it, just in case somebody don't know how. Look, I had like at least, I'm gonna say 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plugs in this tire. So I didn't even realize what was going on. But I had to get back out and cut some lines. So I don't know what I ran over. I had that many holes in there at one time. Oh yeah, be careful that these come out. You could put tape on them, but they will come out if you don't watch them. They'll come out, so be careful with that. Those look terrible. Okay, got one on. So ain't got it aired up yet though, but we're gonna put one. This side right here going pretty easy. It ain't really much to it. The pressure. See, that one went on pretty good. Now, for the other side, it's a little bit more complicated for me anyway. So, what I decided to do was use the Vise again. So, I'm gonna use the Vise again. What I did is, this, because the other side is on in. Get spray a little detergent on there if you want to. I don't think it's necessary, but it might help make it a little bit easier. So get that bottom piece on there, and then get it cuffed in the vise so it won't come out. Nice firm hold on it. Ah, my bad. That's what you do when you do raw footage. You got raw footage and no goddamn cameras or nothing. You gotta use your phone. But anyways, so you gotta, of course, keep prying and playing with it. But you want to make sure this tie is back. So if you don't, you won't get that bitch on there. You gotta keep it back so it can have some room. I use this, make sure it stays back. Down. Staying at this vise on isn't stable, y'all. So, sorry about that. There you go, we back. And I might edit it, might not. Oh well. So, get in there. Hold on. Get some steady. There we go. Hell. We almost there, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. So now, y'all how to air it up if it don't just air up on its own. Whew. That damn camera won't stay up with it. This one, I learned on YouTube. Now I want to see if it works. So, interested. So, what I seen him do, let me see. Get this right. Tight. Get this. South. See what it's doing. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I see what it's supposed to be doing. Let's see. Make sure they don't put no hole in my darn tie. Let's see. Oh, it worked. Ooh. It worked. Yep. Get that loose. I don't like the idea that it put a hole in my tire though. I don't like that. It didn't, but that I'm not sure about. I might have to put something up under it. It's doing it. Okay. Still. Gotta make sure it's still all around. And let's see if it's leaking. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. We got a new tire. We got a new tire. Ah, yeah. Just for the sake of it, on this one, I'm gonna put something on this because I don't like how this is going into the groove of the tire. So what we'll do is we'll put something up under it like that. That's just, I don't know, just seems like it make more sense to me. Tractor moving. I think it's catching the thing, but I'd rather catch that than put a hole in my tire. Nope, I gotta go a little tighter. So, let me see. I have to move this out the way. This is what they're going on. They're going back on my baby. All right, and that's how you do it.